Those are some of my old college readings in the background. I don't know why I just did that. It actually looks really bad. Let's just use it for one video. Today we're doing a graphic tee haul book. I got that term from To The Nines, so I like their videos. I'm gonna show you guys some t-shirts that I got from soaestheticshop.com. It's a website that sells, you know, graphic tees and also like a well-curated, like aesthetic clothing pool of things on their website. Like they just have a lot of stuff. I picked out some shirts because I wear shirts pretty much every single day and you can't really go wrong. And I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start off with the shirt that I'm wearing right now. It's actually my favorite one. It's very aesthetic, as you saw with the print. I really like this because the print is like within the shirt sort of thing. Like silkscreen, I think is what it's called. And I really like it. I really like the print because it has a lot of my favorite colors. You guys know I like a lot of pastel. Actually, I really like a lot of different colors. I'm talking way too much. I should probably not talk too much. I got stuff other than t-shirts, so I'm just gonna get them out of the way. I got some socks. These have smiley faces on them and they're just white. I got some fruit ones. These are lemon and blueberries. I forgot to mention, but I do have a discount code that's gonna be down below if you want to have a discount. Going back to t-shirts, I got a pink one with two girls on it, and I really like the retro-y kind of print on it. By the way, I got everything in the size large because I like oversized and loose fitted tees, which I kind of regret because I do like tighter fitting shirts sometimes. But yeah, now I have a lot of loose fitting tees, which is very comfortable. Following the retro-y kind of print vibe that I wanted to go for, I got a retro like comic book type t-shirt, and this is my second favorite because I really like the print. And it says blah blah blah, which is funny because I kind of say that sometimes. I say blah 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 to my sister, especially because I'm like that annoying sister. And then it says, that's good, he is handsome. I just like the shirt and I think it would be really fun to style. The next shirt that I got is my third favorite. I love how I just have favorites, you know. I like this because it's a tan, like beige color, which I don't have any shirts of this color, so I thought this was a very nice addition to my t-shirt collection. And it's printed on a Gildan t-shirt, which I thought was pretty cool. And the text on it just says, very, very true, and I think we can all relate. Repeat after me. It's okay to not have everything figured out, which I feel like is a running theme to all my videos, especially. I have a lot of videos talking about not having everything figured out, especially at our age as millennials or whatever you want to call us. The next shirt that I got is purple because I grew up watching Barney. This is the shirt. It has a photo of a blueberry on it. Nope, I lied. It's a grape. It has a photo of grapes on it and I thought it was very cute. If you guys have just tuned into my channel, you guys might not know that I really like ducks. I have a whole like Donald Duck Chum Chum collection, but honestly I wasn't very into Donald Duck until I started collecting Chum Chums, and I just really like just classic ducks ever since. There's actually the song, it's kind of an oldie. I don't really know how old you guys are, but back in the day, back in my day, there was this hit single called The Duck Song, and it features the composer's like struggles in his life as an artist. Basically, it's like a very personal song from the artist. And one of the lines in the song goes like this. Bum bum bum, ba-da-dum. Duck walked up to the lemonade stand and said to the man in the stand, hey, dun, dun, dun. Got any grapes?
A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, hey, bum bum bum.
Got any grapes? And yeah, that's why I got this shirt, because of that song. It's very inspiring, so I'm gonna link that down below. And the next t-shirt that I got is kind of duck themed as well because it's yellow. I love yellow things. I love yellow t-shirts. This one is like super duper 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 way too big. Super oversized, great for lounging and staying at home, I guess. And it's cute because it says, you taste like sunshine. And I love anything that has to do with yellow and sunshine. I like it. It's cute. cute. And the last thing that I have is a sweater, and it's way too hot to be wearing sweaters here in the Philippines unless like you have like really cold like centralized air conditioning systems in your house, or if you're at the mall every day. I don't know. I am saving this for when I can wear sweaters. It's this wonderful like blue. I love the shade blue. It's one of my favorite colors. It's like very complementary to this yellow. Beautiful. And it just says girls, girls, girls. Girls, girls, girls. I'm sure that's a song, right? I like the red, and it also has like stuff on the sleeve. It says girls. I'm a girl. It's very cozy and comfy, and this is that's one of my favorites as well. So yeah, top 4. I hope that you enjoyed this little haul book type of video. It was very fun for me to film and just kind of talk about something with you. Again, thank you so much So Aesthetic Shop for sending me these like t-shirts. They're really cool. By the way, I have to review the service, huh? I got everything in around 1 month. Some of the items, like the socks, they came in around a week or 2 weeks straight to my house, and then the rest of the clothes came all together. If you're from the Philippines, I had to go to the Pasay post office, which is really far from my house and like hassle, but I had to go there and pick the things up. It was tax-free. If you're gonna online shop, make sure it's like less than 10k so that you don't have to get things taxed. So yeah, these were all less than 10k, so I didn't have to pay for tax. I just had to pay for the storage or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but I had to pay 120 pesos to get my items. And that is it for this video. I hope you had a grand time just talking about shirts with me. This video was from my heart to yours. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!